Yeah. Thank you, Nyabong. For all your professional photos and visuals, Dep3 Events got you. Are you having a wedding, Baba? Birthday, graduation, church conferences, amen. Corporate events, even sadly a funeral. In need of photography, visual services, worry no more. This week, I visited Dep3 Event Studios to do a photo shoot. Ha, Baba, ngabangena. Kwamoshakala pose. Kikwikak. Flashy lights, konapa wabulawayo. Ungasondela lawo bakuthwebule. Joshua Nkomo Street between 14th and 15th Avenue. 0716 919 313. Dep3 Events, your satisfaction our priority. Donkey. I had to say it thrice. Namhlanje kumnandi them from Film for Show. I think since ever I've done them from Film for Show, this one is just wow for me. Welcome to them from Film for Show Enkundleni, exclusive brought to you by Dep3 Events. And please, bakithi shwa siyacela for your support, to keep us going. Please make sure that you go to YouTube, Dep3 Events TV. Subscribe Konapana, hit the notification button, and Dep3 Events are the one who Dep3 Events Management. These are the ones who bring you this show. Enkundleni exclusive. Dep3 Events, we do sound engineering. Tumsan, did you hire us for your wedding?
Yes, I did.
Captain. Nandi. Yes. So we do sound engineering, we do lighting, and also we have Dep3 Events Visual Studios who are bringing you and who are shooting this show, and also partnered with ORG Media Services, and also yes, ORG Media Services. If you want a visual business profile, if you want a photo shoot, they do for you, and also brought to you by Oguhle Designs who do our graphic designing for the show. Our partners, Oguhle Designs, our day one. Partners from Skala Pass. I think this is episode what? I don't know my episode. Hooray! 72, 74. Can Captain why is saying see the cake in the episode 50? I'm afraid I was pushing to the end. But for me, it's been an exciting journey, and I'm looking forward to more and more up to episode 10,000. It's good. I meet different personalities. Enkundleni from FIFA Show, and me Sipho Mason Tinyati, I'm your host, and namhlanje I'm Peter Zinkulu, Baba. I'm Peter Zinkulu, that character, that individual, that personality. I wanted that in taking Google researching about you, Dumisane Mankunzini. I could relate when I could relate to Mchita Wasekas. I want to Mchita Wasekas who's in a space. I feel like you keep it real. I feel like your life is real. You don't barter anything. You're just one of those real people. So I have the opportunity. I welcome you, Dumisane Mankunzini, to Enkundleni exclusive.
Thanks, Sipho.
Nice. Do you watch our podcast?
Yes, I do.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Mnandi. Chukuthi sikhona phela eMakassar.
Yeah, Ali Natch, yeah.
Sinatch. So wena wakhulela eMpophoma ma?
Yeah, ngakhulela eMpophoma, yeah.
Khale suploma.
eBenside.
Masabapini.
Yeah.
eBenside you are wavani.
Certainly almost 2 years ngihlala khona.
2 years khona ngani. Kunjani ndoda changing from elokishini usiye Masabapini?
Right, I can say it now. I'm used to it because I think I left home. Official, I think when I was 21 years old. Yeah, I left home. I went to Paddonest. I left flat in a town. I went to Hillside and then now Benside. Yeah.
Oh, nice. And also not forgetting to introduce our underground gang. Underground gang linjani? Liswi. Ngiyabona kulo mjito ojala kubhanka ku-underground gang once in a while uyaphiya nyamalale. Siyakwemukela mebras. Nice, yes. But yona nyakwazi uma ufikile usuqala ukubuza imibuzo yakho yesikhiwa. Sicela ungaconfuse uMankunzini. Ungaconfuse uMankunzini. Yes. So Mankunzini, you grew up from Mpophoma.
Yeah.
Yes, kwakunjani growing up from Mpophoma?
Mpophoma, Mpophoma imnandi even every now and then. I drive and go back Mpophoma ngihlale lamajita emgwirweni and sichaye calabash yabona la
1-2
yeah sisihlalele emgerweni then bese ngisuka nje sengihamba just nje uyabona amajita yeah.
Okay. So Mpophoma kuphuma wena eMpophoma kuphuma iHasa eMpophoma yibapha abanye the captain
Mpophoma vele ithwele ama-celebrity wonke that you can think of there is Ezra Chisa Sibanda.
Oh, la Empoyes.
Yeah, Empoyes, same house lapho emphuma khona.
Yes, abantu bahlala besithi mina ngindaba zabantu. But do you think mina ngendaba zabantu kodwa ngadlula uEzra? Bafethu no. Ezra ngendaba zabantu. Kuyafiwa.
Global. Kulo Athamate, he used to play rugby for the national team.
Okay.
He's now in the UK. Kulo Ainsley Ndlovu plays cricket for the national team and plays club cricket in the UK.
Wow.
Yeah, so kulo Mthulisi Maposa used to play for Highlanders. Yeah, kulo Themba Ndlovu also used to play for Highlanders.
Samandlo.
Yeah.
Okay.
So like you mentioned, Donkuleko Dube iYasa.
Yes.
Yeah, abanengi kakhulu. Yeah, ngaphela ishow khona apha ndake ngiqamba bona.
Lokuqamba ukuthi lo. Ngoba ndawo ke senior loja le lapho. Izithi ziphiwa kanjani? Underground gang. Okay. So vele ngale eMpophoma kuyafika.
Kuyafika.
Yes. But usuqamba omunye futhi who played cricket and still playing cricket.
Yeah, he's still playing cricket.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So when you grew up ngapha kwakhona ema-area eMpophoma?
Elayini swimming pool lapha na block 56 yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Aba ku block 56 badume ngani vele block 56 yena ngokwakhe weMpophoma? Particularly yena specific block 56 kudume ngani?
Vele block 56 asiyaziwa even esikolo ngezemidlalo.
Block 56?
Yeah, sport, yeah. Njoba ngutshela ukuthi uEzra laye uphume same house lapha emphuma khona.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Same zapha.
Yeah.
Lapha ilala khona la uyikuza khona.
Yeah, actually bedroom engayisebenzisa mina yayisebenzisa yena.
Seriously?
Yeah.
So awuphuphi indaba zabantu? Ngumama bekachisa. Ngumzukulu kachisa.
Ngumzukulu, yeah.
Okay, nice.
Yeah. Yabona so sasiyaziwa vele ngesport yabona. Lo bhuti wami la engimlandelayo wayedlala irugby. Le soccer but yena waqina kakhulu emabhukweni emsebenzini. Wasebenza uBimetro chronically before esiyasebenza somewhere else. Yeah, so
So growing up there khona phana ku block 56 from uqalisa phansi. Abo cricket ngama sport esingajayela ngemakasana. Anti. Because ekasi vele ekasi ngibani? Ekasi ngudiski lamakhasa.
labo skill.
Yes. So yabona emakasi bazamile sibile emakasi ngambona sibile tennis anti. Bezama sibile ukuthi kudlala tennis, kudlala cricket. Wena cricket kuyithutsha njani?
All right. Cricket game I never liked athletics running, So first term at school, it's athletics.
Okay.
So it was compulsory for everyone to attend athletics practice, except for the cricket guys. So because I didn't like athletics, I then joined cricket so that I can miss out on athletics practice. So that's how I started playing cricket at Nkurumane Primary School. I got a scholarship to Milton High School. I got a scholarship to University of Oxford. Yeah, so in England. So all my life has been cricket since I was in grade 3.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Amajita, how do you handle that pressure when you're now different from Amajita when you teach? Because Amajita mandengekas, it is given. But when you teach in cricket, Majiga, when I go pass and move. Ngo pass and move when we englanjani all that.
Okay. Into khona ukuthi le bhora ngandlala.
Okay.
Yeah, ngandlala ibhora, but you know, I actually think I was a better soccer player than cricket, but I chose cricket because of the opportunities that come with cricket. You know, in football, we would get oranges during halftime, and in cricket, you'll get a nice buffet. You know, so I had to choose cricket over football. And in football, the only toss that you would get, maybe you're going to play a game of football at Papa Fields, at the best, you know. But with cricket, you'll have to have a passport, you know.
Yes, if I be different.
Yeah, you'll have to have a passport and you'll travel the world. You'll board a plane. You go to South Africa, you go to India, you go to Pakistan, you go to England. You know, so I had to choose cricket.
Oh, nice. UDumsane nezalwa ngumabani?
Ngizalwa comrade, the late comrade Joseph Ndwangu Mankunzini, who's lying at the Heroes Acre, and my mother, Umusa Loveness Spanda Mankunzini. Yeah, ibabazali bam.
Yes. Abazali bakho, how do they take it now? What Dumsane is coming through as a cricketer? Are they supportive of these extracurricular activities?
Yeah, they were very supportive. I remember my father's company used to sponsor cricket, our tours and cricket tournaments. And I've taken over those cricket tournaments. But my father, at one time, he had to stop sponsoring. You know, people, they start saying things that he's making the team because the father is sponsoring, you know. So my father had to stop that when I was under 18s, I think. Yeah, under 18.
Oh.
Yeah, so he had to stop sponsoring, but I continued making the teams. Yeah,
But then I was doing it because he loves sponsoring.
yeah, it was just a way of supporting me, you know, giving me what I love. Yeah.
So yimuli abantu abangaki? Yes, in your family, like from Mankunzini Joseph and your mom.
From Mankunzini Joseph and my mom, it's just the two of us, me and my young sister.
Okay.
But from my mom, we are three. There's my brother, myself, and my young sister. But from my dad, we are five. Yeah, I've got two older sisters, myself, my young sister, and my little brother. Yeah.
Yes, already sounding complex.
Yeah,
Yes.
not really.
Yes.
Yeah,
So how was it coming up from this mother side libangaki, kubaba libangaka? How was it coming up in that setup?
I'll tell you
Growing up in that
the
setup.
I'll tell you the truth. All of us, the sonke abantwana, we don't know what is sizalwa ngumama lo kumbe ngubaba lo. We're all siblings. We love each other like that. We're all united like that. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. So vela ukukhanya ukuthi lo kazalwa lapha kumbe lo kazalwa lapha kumbe lo kazalwa lapha. No.
So akuzange kube njengamanye ama-complicated families ukuthi kuba
Nah.
nobandlululo laphana laphana.
I'd be lying. Yeah, I'd be lying if I say ukuthi kulobandlululo lobunjalo. Yeah.
Okay. What can you credit for that?
I'll give the credit to my parents. Abasitshengiselayo ukuthi singabantwana sonke akula ongcono kulomunye. We are all the same. Yeah.
Okay. So when in terms of your career, kusukela umncane, you didn't have so much opposition from the family. They supported you all the way.
No, they all supported me. But I remember one time, Nkulumane Primary School, I was told by my I think I was in grade 5. He said, guys, in December, we're going to England. There's a tour in England for only those who will do well, will be selected to go to England. Excited as I was, I got home. I told everyone about it, and they were all laughing at me. My brother saying, you know?
Yes.
Yeah. Then come, I think it was October. There was a letter written to my parents. We need to get a passport for the young man. He's going on tour with us and all that. So nobody believed it until Sense
didn't
Airport. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And when that news coming to you, Uti Lapa says England, how did you take it?
To be honest with you, I was excited. But I'd seen it happening to other guys going on tours and all that. So to me, it was like, okay, it's finally happening. This is a lifetime opportunity that I need to grab with everything that I have and make sure that I do well so that I can continue traveling with the team, representing the national team, representing my provincial team, my schools and stuff like that. Yeah.
Yes. And how's Dumsani in class?
Uh, I,
Academically.
yeah, I was. I'd say I was one of the intelligent guys in my class at
Talk of
school.
who try kwezani? Utshaya ingungu uzigidela same time.
Yeah.
Yes.
I was. Yeah, I was. But angigijimisa more of sport.
Mhm.
Yeah, more of cricket. Because many a times I would leave class going to cricket, but then I'll come back and still make sure that I've done my work in class and catch up with others. Yeah.
So you were what? You were an A student, B student, C student,
I was
U
an
student?
A student.
For real?
Yeah.
Yo, akujayelekanga lokho. Abe sports. So when I should type plan out, can you credit yourself to say when vele isikolo wawuchaya vele naturally?
Yeah, I'll say ngangibulala esikolo yeah.
Eish, I wish there was your classmate or teacher ukuthi afakazi ukuthi for real. For real utsho
Yeah.
yes. Then religiously were you introduced to church usesemncane or that space was not
Yeah,
to you?
yeah, I was Anglican. Sasemncane Anglican. Then I grew up. I don't know how many churches I've gone to.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, but now I'm Seventh Day.
Or now seventh day, that's when you go to church. All right, we'll talk more. We'll talk more about that.
Yeah.
So now you get to O level.
Yes.
You're still continuing
Yes.
in cricket. And how is it then? Lapho sukhulile phela? How
In
is
cricket?
it? Yes.
To be honest with you, it got. I got so much pressure, because I started playing when I was young. I started professional cricket when I was 17. So the demands were too much. I remember my first salary, it was 1.5 US dollars, and I was playing the same team with Dion Ibrahim, Keith Dabengwa. Those guys were getting about $12,000,
Okay.
So one would say 1.5, it's a lot of money. But when it comes to credit, it's not,
Well, now you've mentioned these names were getting 12,000 and then you were getting 1.5. What is happening with discrepancy?
Okay, I had a rookie contract.
Okay.
It was called a rookie contract. I just finished school. Okay, my A level, so I just got my contract. They call it the rookie contract. So it was 1,500 US dollars, and these other guys were senior players. They were getting 12,000. Charles Coventry, Kevin Ewing, all those guys playing for the national team and getting 12,000. Or Terence Staffin getting about 15,000. So I remember going to the CEO's office. I was like, boss, I can't be getting 1.5 when other guys are getting 12,000, because if I'm to play, if I'm to be picked in the team and this one is not picked, he can simply come to me and say, listen, I'll give you $2,000. Don't play. Say you're injured or something, and I'll be left with no choice but to take that money, and not play. So the boss actually understood me and was like, okay, you don't tell anyone. Okay, everybody else knows that they get how much? 1.5. But I'm going to give you a raise. So my money got to 4K. 4,000, yeah.
Okay. So that's your hustling, the hustling nature now.
Yeah, maybe you can put it that way. Yeah.
Yes. Because okay, now I'm starting from what you're saying, I'm starting to see the nature yako as a business person and also as a sports person.
Yeah.
So are you saying would you describe yourself with what to call you this business acumen in you?
Yes, true.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you are Pamanyama features that you can tell us about that really proved to go to okay. Dumsani besides sports was coming on a line of business person.
Okay. I was approached by Puma.
Puma.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's Puma. Not
It's
Puma.
What CVs are being discussed? He Puma, baba.
Yeah. So I was approached.
It's called what? It's Puma.
Yeah, Puma.
Okay.
Yeah. So when I was approached by Puma, they were sponsoring me cricket boots and trainers.
Okay.
Yeah. Then I said to them, hey, Neil Nesbitt, said, Neil, listen, my guy, I can sell this equipment for you. What we do, let's give the players these beds, bags, and all that, and then we collect our monies at the end of the month from them. Then I said, okay, that's fine. How many do you need? So I gave him the numbers of each, Then I remember the bets were going for $200, and I'd tell the guys, if you're buying cash, it's $250. Then if you're buying it month end, $350 for a bet, because those were top of the range bets, and the $350 it was actually nothing, because those bets at in shops they were going for like $500, $600. So those are some of the things that I did in terms of business to get money and all that. Yeah, is in the Pima brand.
And by then, how old are you?
I was 17 years old. It was my first year playing professional cricket.
What like my endorsements that are like that?
Yeah, in cricket it's very easy to get sponsorship. Remember, I was the only leg spinner in the region, and the youngest. So yeah.
So in this cricket space, do you get those what people always talk about imbalance based on discrimination, Sean and Debele kind of vibes?
Yeah, plenty.
For real?
Yeah,
Did you experience that
a lot. Yeah,
on the national team?
even here in Bulawayo.
Okay, what goes on around that?
Okay, like you find here in Bulawayo, it's about who you are, what's your surname. Okay.
What
Oh,
you
let me say it was like that, but now in Bulawayo it has changed. Okay, but when we're playing, it was like, which school did you go to?
Eh,
Okay. So I'll be very honest with you. Even during the national team trials or provincial trials, it was known. Okay.
Uguthini?
That the team, the players come from Milton, CPC maybe, and Falcon.
For the national cricket team.
That's for the provincial team.
Oh, for the provincial team.
Matabeleland. Then for the national team, Milton, Churchill, Prince Edward, maybe St. George's and Falcon.
Okay.
Yeah, so very simple. That's not So no matter how good they were, so the best that they would do for them, maybe get a scholarship to Milton and make the provincial team from Milton or national team from not when you're Popo Maya.
What propels that?
Okay, it makes sense when I explain it to you, because you'll find Popo Maya playing Luveve, Nyanda, whatever those schools, and they are playing in what we call concrete wickets. It's a man there, one.
Yeah.
So it's very different to a kid who is playing on a proper cricket wicket, playing against Falcon, Prince Edward, Churchill, in Yangon. So it was very, very different. So you'd find a kid scoring hundreds in Popomai, but when you put them at Milton or at CPC, they can't even get to 10 runs because of the change of wicket.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the environment, from Emalokshin, the suburbs is a factor to that.
A big one.
When a fair, you saw it actually.
I only understood it now, Senkulil.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sibili Emalokshini.
When I'm now a selector, I no man, we can't select this one because of,
Okay. So even though we Makasana the potential,
the potential, but because of where he's playing, Gubanzima to select that one. Because you can select him based on potential, but he's bound to fail when you just get him to play on a proper cricket wicket.
Okay. So what efforts have they been made to Ngale Makasana equally as this side?
It's very difficult to have proper cricket wickets in the western areas. So what has been done by Zimbabwe Cricket now is that they have AMAT development squads. Maybe they can pick a select side from in the western areas. They play at Falcon. They play against Falcon, maybe BC team or Milton BOC team, stuff like that. Then you can see, okay, this one is playing. Okay, this one can actually play. Then
yes, cricket.
yeah, exactly. Yeah, but Ngali was struggling because of there's no water.
Welcome to Emakasa.
Yeah, so it's very difficult now to prepare the wicket.
So that was also
It's
part
very
of the
dry.
initiative.
Yes, by
Yes,
Zimbabwe
in
Cricket.
cricket
Yeah.
to
Yeah, so the Trilama poll about 4, but we still can't get water. So now what we have done
2 chamans.
Tuch. So what we have done, Emakan Mchingwe, the school next to Emakan and Kreta, they've got water there. So what we are doing now, we're taking a poll for them, then they have starter months from Konapa.
So that you
We water the
area.
field, the wicket and all that, yeah.
So far very laphana akuka initiative ayikaqali kahle.
I know that they play games, okay? They water using buckets, hose pipe, nje lana lana, but it's not enough, but yeah.
Yo, akubophile bafethu. Bazama sibili but yo. Okay, so those are izinto ezikhona ukubona sometimes environment esikhulela kuyo sifukudlalela icricket. Yes. And why are these sports still taken as foreign masifike emakasana laphana? What can be done? What else
no.
can be done ukuthi
I think with Zimbabwe cricket has done very well so far. If you check, we've got that program now, cricket Kumusha Ekaya. We have taken cricket even to the rural areas now.
Ngai cholocho.
Yeah, there's cricket there. We go there and do cricket courses and coaching. Cholocho, Binga, those areas. We like cricket khona ngale now.
And ngale that you can find amazing talent.
Yes, there is. Even if you check in just 3 weeks ago, we're in Victoria Falls with the president. We are building a cricket stadium in Victoria Falls.
Wow.
So you see that areas like
yes, cricket stadium, Vic Falls.
Yeah, so places like Lusumbamin, Binga, there, Wange, and all that, they are going to benefit a lot from that. Yes, yeah.
Wow.
So Zimbabwe cricket has done very well in terms
to
of
reach
spreading
cricket,
cricket.
remote areas.
Yeah.
Okay. And then when lapho kuma cherry, you're a different guy phela wena. Uyananzelela. Awufanani nabo Archie abathusha ngedisk, igame yomsipha. Uyananzelela. Wena uthutsha lapho you're coming in presenting a new sport emakasana umfana ohamba ugqokela kana bakubiza bethi yini?
Amaphetsi.
Yebo uhamba noma suvela ku match maybe Milton silokhu uthusha emakasana ugqoka amaphetsi ugqokela athi kwini helmet lana bayibiza bethi yini?
A helmet, yeah.
Helmet. Athi ukuthi vele nami ngaba ngomunye practitioner we cricket. Uthusha ugqoka into leziyana emakasana ocheri bathini? Mabe kubona. Uyabangena ngakho uyenza njani?
Yeah, I would say that when I was young, I used to do that. But cricket was different. As Trump is pets so cricket very style. When our cricket glasses, those shirts.
Yes.
Yeah, and they're pulling a kit back. It had. Yeah, exactly. So I will style but now the challenge with cricket is that girls loved soccer players.
I'm so going to
so that was the challenge. Then girls, kuma cricketers, they'll be knowing it. So they'll come and get that money from you.
So when uqala ungena ubani nguthi Churot uthi alo sharing ngahle ngamngena vele masinyani ngestyle sami.
I mean I had this thing.
Ungazprotect, ungazifaki antivirus.
You tell me, ngithi wena tell me.
Yes.
Hey. So I had this thing yothi ngangishilo uthi akula share njani. You can say no to me. I would do anything that I can or that I could to get any girl. And when I was young, me and my guys were very violent.
Yes, this is different.
Yeah, so that's the only thing to cherry. Ngiyala mbaba lo munye umuntu vele ayamhlasela hamba ngibo angena ngibo yabona. Yeah, hlupane la strong maybe ngifike ngithi bazaleni bakhe. She took my video tapes. Look, and I remember
a video cassette.
Yeah, I remember one girl. I think you all know her. She was my high school girlfriend. Lisa Stambe. She's married now. I think.
Lisa
Stambe.
Okay.
Yeah, she's married now. I think. I remember. Wayesembuluzela asekonje ngokunye sihamba kukhulu wakhe. Embuva wasangena ngibe yabona. Ngilomngane wami the late
Blackbone.
Yeah, Lisa. She was very beautiful. So ngangena ngibo laphana zafika ukukhulu wakhe zathi umzukulu wakho uthetheni. Uboleke i-DVD yethu. Sifuna i-DVD yethu lapha sisukile. Yangayithathanga.
Khona buyanya.
Sifuna ubona yena ukhulu wakho aphuma esigijimisa ngendruku.
Ngubani obuya le-plans uhamba lobani? Who's your best friend by then?
It was Ivan Khatewe. He's late now. La wayedlala cricket and then umfundisi now. Ungizana Zibusiso Sibanda, yeah.
Okay.
Ungizana is still alive. Yeah, ubengikhaphela la somthatho nami.
For real. Ungizana ngiyese ngumfundisi kharethi?
Yeah, ngiyese ngumfundisi eBrethren.
Nice. All over vele bathi. And khonapho liya nathuthwala wali kanathi o lishayizodi.
No, I've never smoked weed in my life.
Cocaine.
Yeah. But
You've never
utshwala,
tapped cocaine.
no, I've had drugs. No, I've never done that.
Okay.
Yeah, but utshwala ngase nathi okutshontshele yabona ngiyi-boys. Yeah, ngase nathi utshwala.
Yes. But now to sound like you say you've never smoked weed, you've never taken sniffy cocaine. Like looking at the situation ekhona emakasana kade uthini ngayo Chom la mawukhanyele. Right.
It's a very sad situation. And for that, I blame all of us, me included. We are very bad role models, you know. We forget that what we do has got a very big effect. Ebantwaneni, abantwini benkomponi, you know. Like right now, if I go Mpopo Malapan and I'm kissing a girl, just any girl, in front of kids, they think it's a good thing. You know, every boy would want to do that. Yabon. So why I'm saying that I'm blaming us, Yabon. There are people who do those things in public. Yabon. In right now you'll find abafana bebhema nje abasacaci abasafihli it's not like ukuthi these things zazingayenzakali kudala. I think zazisenzakala but kwakufihlwa lani lani yabona. So now because
So when you say in your upbringing abantu they were like babefihla ukushaya izoli.
babefihla ukuchaya izola and bebhema labo besesaba. Now because into esisegcekeni everyone they just do it and they overdose it sebesenza nje so kuyimpilo yabo yabona.
Because I had a conversation lo music wami nje uyabonani. Vele into like what you're saying, what you've been bad role models. Someone was like to me, I want to chomna into ezakala khangela uSneyman. uSneyman yabe like sile emakasana lapha upaka iBMW.
Yeah.
And abafana bafika bapaka, abafana bapaka, abafana bapaki. So uSneyman ulike sile lapha uthengisa izoli zakhe, uthengisa ithwa kwini? Codeine. Bayibiza bethi yini? Ingoma.
Ngoma ya.
Yes, ingoma uSneyman uthengisa ingoma, uthengisa iweed laphana. Abona abafana belokishini nxa befika bebona uSneyman upaka iBMW. Phakathi kweBMW uhlezi le yellow bone.
Yeah.
Nje abafana abancane
bahawukela bethi impilo eswi. Yeah.
So enye into nxa ukhuluma ngama role models, i-role model sokube nguSneyman emakasana lo drive omchova. Uyananzelela oshaya iweed zakhe sengena seshaya ikolo yabo.
Yeah.
Yes, I think khona ukukhuluma isibili kumqoko ukuthi like maybe lina aba-blind azange libe ngama-role models ebafaneni emalokishini. So what initiatives have you done towards drug abuse esemakasana?
Forgive me, my brother. On that one, I haven't done anything. To be honest.
Asimchayeleni izandla waba honest to love. Lapho chomlama yabona ukuthi wonke umuntu obuya lapha is trying by all means ukuthi na paint a good picture to say mina emakasana sesike sayenza lokho la lokho, but wena thank you for your honesty yakho ukuthi I'm not chomlama mfuna ukutshela manje situation so far khathi bengiyibukelile. Which means perfectly this conversation will then make sense and someone can relate to say awuchoma ukhuluma kwini kodwa ukhuluma ivara. What initiatives do you think should be done kubafana bekasana sibabonayo beshaya icodeine ingoma sibabona beshaya ithiwa yini itombo mtoriro or iweed? What initiatives from wena i-exposure subela wabalayo waphuma wayemazweni waphenduka lapha emakasana wabona ukuthi no man into leyo ibulala ilokishi lakho particularly eMpophoma? What initiatives do you think should be done?
Okay. The solution to this thing, I think it's one. Okay. The solution is that we get these guys, those who are still at school, their age still allows them to be at school. Let's get them to school, number one. Those who are over age, they need to get jobs. We need to get them to work, do other things.
Zibizbano, Dumsan.
I'll answer you there.
Answer.
Okay, I'll answer you. Before I answer you, I want to tell you something.
Okay, tell me.
Because now the mistake that we're all making, you get these motivational speakers, people coming to speak to Obege.
I started this business with one rice.
Yeah, don't do this, don't do that. Half the time, those guys are not even listening. The moment you drive your car and you go away, they are back to what? Doing those drugs. And people say, no, we've done APC, Mpopoma, you know, so I think it will improve. No, it won't improve. You know, the reason why those guys, they are doing those things, they don't have anything else to do. But I mean, I would appreciate a guy who would come and say, guys, I've started my own PPC, the cement company, okay? I need abantu abazanjani abazasebenza bethwala ama-bags, cement bags as an example, or sipheke isamende and so those guys uyabukwazi ukuthi Monday to Friday basemsebenzini and
Yes.
Saturday maybe half day and already they are tired. They won't even think of taking drugs and stuff like that. Saturday, like umuntu abale girlfriend yakhe Sunday, uyawatch impahla preparing for work on Monday. So they don't have time to take drugs, and they know that if they take drugs and they won't perform well at work and all that. So those are the things that we need to do rather than just speaking to people say, guys, hey, don't drink, guys, don't smoke weed, guys, don't. Guys, that's nothing to them. You can't just tell them that and not offer anything.
True. And also, have you seen what City Council has taken initiatives to revamp or revitalize our vocational centers now? And recently there was
that's a good one. Yeah.
Yes, that's a good one. I applaud them for that.
Yeah, that is a very good one. It's a brilliant one.
Yes, because ungananzelela lapha abantu bafundisa woodwork, mechanic,
Yeah.
hotel and catering, uthiwa hotel catering ani? Hotel and catering. Kuyafundiswa vele lova lapha ukuthi hambani emergency enjani.
Yes.
Yes, liyefunda. I think that's a
That is a very good one. But again, now, you will need.
Ungathi party phela sukhanzile ukuthi that's a good one.
Yes, no, listen why I'm saying but. It's a good one, but all over now, and because of that ngoma esisekhanda and we done, they will not see that that is a very good initiative that will help them. So now it needs people like me and you to go to them now and encourage them to enroll Kumaloku Zenuna Lao and do those courses. You understand?
Yes, very true.
Because if no one does that, kuyaphelele emoyeni.
Very true. And also, I read recently an article which was very sad. Uthi rehab lana efuna ukuya eCountry Park. There is a rehabilitation center owathi imele yakhe eCountry Park, and then NGO yankhona pulled out to say ukuthi asisela ama resources to like finish that project. But I saw that project ukuthi is going to help very, very, very much. So when you're saying ukuthi at your ukhula laphana, you never took drugs, you were wawutshontshela alcohol.
Yeah, alcohol.
Yes.
Yeah.
But uchero wabangena phela.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alcohol and drugs.
Uchero wamngenayo wakuphula ihliziyo ngathi this one I give credit to ukuthi nguye owamphapamisayo mbani.
I'll say no. I think lower in Chaya low.
What?
Yeah.
Bafethu.
Pamela Mtupa in South Africa. Yeah.
When we chose ngapha.
No, Zimbabwean, but grew up in South Africa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wayekurathabula mtshana.
Yeah,
But vele nto kobula wayekuthiwa komfazi utshaya indoda.
Yeah, wayentinda yeah.
Like usuyenzeni mayekuchaya?
No, wayelesikhwele nje yabona. Ukuthi nje awubona nje ukhangele another girl dancing or whatsoever vele hayi isibhakera.
Okay. Wena mphakathi umpaka. Oh, you're an English boy.
No.
Miltonian boy.
I love imbhaka ngiyithanda yabona. But in South Africa I was very scared. In South Africa.
Ongwangapha eKasi.
But
lichayisana eJozi.
In South Africa, yeah.
eJozi ufike njani?
Mina angangicricket ngasenze cricket eSouth Africa.
Okay.
Yeah. So
like wachiya lapho waqalisa from Jozi
no, ngangaqalisi. It was a continuation. I got a cricket contract from Zimbabwe to South Africa.
Okay, nice.
Yeah. So when I got there, I found Pamela sahlala sonke siba lesikhwele
njengamehla kahla ehla uDumzane aswadana nje story lesi is true from his heart. Okay, so Dumzane, like what makes people like amajita who are going through that will not talk out a lot?
It's because whenever you try and say these things, people will laugh at you, people will judge you, people will see you as a weak man, So many guys tend to say, no, it's best what? Keep quiet and I'll deal with it my own way. This is why you'll see most guys commit suicide. It's because of those stories.
Yes, and like you've been a controversial personality. Yes. What would you say about that when throughout the newspapers, if you Google Dumzane Mankunzaini, you come with a lot of there's a lot of scandals there. What can you say about that?
Yeah, there's a lot. Yeah, there are a lot of scandals. I've been arrested before. I've been in prison. I've spent the most, I can say, the best time. Some people will not understand it. The best time of my life, I spent it in prison. almost 3 months in
Okay.
prison. It made me see life from different angles, you know, and it also made me realize that not everyone who comes to your life is genuine.
Mhm.
Yeah, because of the way these scandals have been written on the newspapers and the way these things happen, you'll find that the latest one, when I was arrested and I spent 3 months in prison, you'll find that I was helping out. You know, it was during our campaigns, election campaigns. I was campaigning, and somebody came to me trying to assist me. She gave me money for my fuel. Said, I know you use a very big engine in your car. You need fuel. You're campaigning. I know this is nothing. Here's this money. Ah, well, thank you. And one time I was driving to Harare. She says to me, "Can you please take this envelope to my sister in Harare, this letter. Okay, what is in the envelope? Eish, I'm running late. I'll send you a WhatsApp, stuff like that. Eqeda ngipha nje the envelope, Impopo 8, pointing at me. If you move, we shoot you.
Okay.
Okay, what is it? Saying a bribe. I was accepting a bribe or something. Something like that. And then I was arrested, you know. So that was just there to disturb me for the primary elections that were coming through and stuff like that. Yeah.
Wow. So did you manage to clear that air out?
Yeah, what do you mean to clear the air out?
Like the whole, it was the bribe, not a bribe.
Yeah, I only cleared it in the court of law.
Okay. Uh-huh. Like, why does trouble seem to follow you?
You know, uyabona, people, how many people used to insult or say a lot about the late president Umgabe, and how many people a day talk about our president, His Excellence Itim Nangagwa. They talk about him, they insult him. It's because there's something great that he has. There's something that people want from him. You understand? So if you want to get something, they say if you can't beat them, join them. So some people will try to get to you ngezinto ezinjani ezingayisizo. And I'll tell you that most of the people and who were complainants in these cases, and they've become to be my friends. And some of them to say, listen, Mina was sent. I was told, just like Raymond Jaravaza, the journalist from Bimetro. He's my friend now, the guy who used to write all those stories about me. Because I confronted him one time. I was like, my friend, why do you always write these stories about me and you don't get my opinion? Why? He said, listen, can I just be honest with you? I never wrote those stories. The only thing that you see there, it's my name. Those stories as we are from somewhere. Kuthiwe edit this story and write your name wasibhalile. Sinjalo. So it was difficult for me to say no
Mm.
because of where those stories were coming from.
Okay, interesting. And how did you meet the love of your life?
My wife,
Mhm.
we met at church.
Oh wow! And what really strike you to say, okay, she's the one?
Okay, this one stood by me and supported me when I was at my lowest, when I was in prison, because I was not eating food from the prison.
Mhm.
So every day, Kseni Mini, she would bring me food. She was there. She was very supportive for me, even when I did a lot of bad things, including cheating on her and all that. She stood by me. We sat down. We spoke about it. She helped me in so many things, even in terms of business, the business that we're doing together. She was there for me, and we are there together. So a lot of things, yeah.
Wow. Yeah. So Tumsani, you can tell me life is a dynamic process. Yes, we evolve, we change. Looking at Tumsani before marriage and Tumsani now he's married. What can you say you've learned and what can you say you've changed? in terms of your life?
Okay. Marriage is a lifetime commitment. So when you're married, the life is no longer about wena wedwa. I've got my son and my wife. So whatever I do now, I put them first. I consider them in everything. What this thing that I want to do, will it be good for my family or not? So marriage alone is actually helped me to make the right decisions in life, not to do things reckless and just do this and all that. But now I consider my wife and my son first before I can do anything.
Mhm. And Tumsani being a father and a cricket person, how kuba nomntwana, how has it been? How can you describe that feeling?
It's a great feeling, it's a great feeling because now when I wake up with my son, we do a morning jog and an evening jog. You will hear him calling me coach, and I call him player. And we jog around, we do some exercises at home. It's nice. And Mama feels out of place and feels like Utenagatendi, or it's always me and Nkosenhle and doing all that. Yeah.
What
So
are
it's a
what
good
are your
feeling.
aspirations for your kid? Do you
Uh,
want him to be a cricket player? Ngubaba foresight, talent, emntwaneni? How is that?
I wanted him to play cricket, but he's not interested.
He's interested in what?
Football. He loves football a lot. He's actually going to Collins Nyambia now for soccer lessons, and he's turning 2 years in
Wow.
August. He's already started soccer with the Collins Nyambia, so he loves football. He can watch a football match on TV, but now there's Cricket World Cup going on, so whenever I put on cricket, he'll be like, oh Popeye, oh Popeye, oh Popeye. So cricket, it's
Umsebenzi ofaka ukudla esinkweni
yeah,
kuzele
akafuni.
kuye. Umsebenzi wakho
Yeah.
ofaka isinkwa kuye. Yena uthi ngopopayi.
Yeah, akafuni. Awuthanda ibhora.
Okay. And when the way you were fathered and now the way you are fathering your kid, what can you say it changed young Ninja? How can you describe that?
Sorry, I didn't get that.
Yes, the way when you were fathered
Yeah.
and the way you are fathering your kid, it changed young Injan.
There's a very big change because when we were growing up, we would do mainly the things that our parents wanted us to do, And I've learned as a young father, I've learned that let kids express themselves, let them do what they want. They are young. Ezikholisela umntwana ayenza akufunayo, because my father back then would be like school first. School first. But I can't do that to him and say, I want you to play cricket because I love cricket. I want you to play cricket. No, I can't do that. So I just let him do what he wants, and support what he loves and what he wants.
Oh, wow. And the image that you have, Yama scandals, because the moment you Google Dumsani Mankunzini, how is that in terms of your mental stability?
For me, to be honest with you, I don't care about those things. I don't care, but though I can say it affects me in some places, because whenever I get, I do TV and radio cricket commentary. So sometimes when I get invited somewhere and they Google that, they'll be like, what's up here? What's happening here? So I have to clear myself first.
Every time.
Yeah, every time. That's one thing that I hate, But I don't, to me, it doesn't really matter. I don't care about it because I know that I didn't do those things. That's why I've never been convicted in my life. Yeah, so I don't care about those things.
In one of the stories, when you Google, there's a picture, you have a red eye, black eye, Baba.
Do you know that one's actually an interesting story? We were having drinks with my friend Brian Chari. He's now playing cricket in Denmark. So we're done, I think around 8 having drinks. I say Matopo, some place there in Matopo. Then he says to me, Amaka, listen, can we go to what you call that place? Mkuza. Kuringal. I like, no, my friend. Me, I want to go and what? Rest. Says, please, let's go. Me, I can't drive anymore. Please, let's go. We had to go there. I didn't want to be there. So when we got there, he disappeared. I didn't see him. So I bought my drink. When I was going for the second one, people just dragged me out.
Wabona bekudosela phandle.
Yeah. They started beating me up. And so me, I was wondering what is happening here. And bangifaka ku fit up. Okay?
Like awukatshela ukuthi wena uyenzeni.
What is happening? So I was saying fit. And I noticed one guy. That guy used to work for us at Alabama, the club. He used to work for us. Then he says, these guys were not paying me. Then he says, today is Funuti Senjai. They drove to Ekanyen somewhere. I prayed, I was praying, inside. I was like, what is happening here? Ngaba sober, Then there was this lady there, and this lady was like, no, guys, let's take him away to the police. And then I like, oh, thank God. But then the other guy says, but we'll say, for what now? Then that girl says, don't worry, let's take him to the police. Says, Figure Central Police Lapanan. Yeah, he calls some guy, that guy comes. He's now my friend, Mapanda. He's now my friend. They call that guy, Abuye Ezong Tata. What's the issue? That will talk in the morning. And when they come now, some fake
allegations,
fake proof of payments. She says, I said, Juti, I paid money into a certain account and they gave me money. So then I went to court. It's no longer the story that guy who never used to pay him. Then now I remember that guy, wife my girlfriend, and so I said, I know this issue. Very good to tell us, and the chick. So you go also we win. We spaghetti sambe court, then I put my foot.
Just like that, but suchayu.
But then chayu.
Did they take care of your medical bills?
No. I did everything myself. I figured like we revenge, I wanted to deal with him thoroughly and accordingly. Somehow God told me it's not worth it. You've got bigger things coming in life. Focus on those and just let that slide.
Wabonga uvuke like, okay, mana imekela phila.
Lapho manje now when he met me, wacha luvalo.
Okay, umchita.
Wambona so abecha luvalo, so what? Chapra. I just kept quiet. I just ngazidlula ngazambela.
Awusangumphenduli. Yeah, but the person is already feeling uneasy.
Yeah.
And then there's an issue of fraud case of $350 kuphela. Why, Dumsani, 350?
I don't remember some of these things.
Zineng.
Yeah, zinengi cool, yabona. To be honest, I don't remember some of these things. Zinengi and very
Zinengi fraud cases zakho.
Yeah, zinengi. There is plenty. There is plenty of them,
Yo, mana si check the 350.
Yeah.
Why 350 kuphela mfethu? Hayi 350 ntuchwa niyenzani?
Yeah, this is a long time emkwana nxa ihamba out.
Very athi uqeda ukumchaya igame mbele yabe siphelile. Igame le Dumsani is weak. For 350. Mana siyibone. Cons City Woman. Yes, I love such thing. It's like a movie star about former cricketer Dumsani Mankunzani at it again. Oh, just this kunengi bafu. Cons City Woman of 350 after masquerading as a lawyer. So you you impersonated yourself as a lawyer.
I know. I don't even think I went to court for this one. I was never arrested even for that. This was just a story. I was never arrested and I never went to court for that.
So where does it emanate from?
I don't know. This one, I don't know this one.
Because $50 wamnikwa futhi enye also gave him also 150. Wona imali le wayiqhutshelwa yini?
I know. This one, I don't know this one.
It is alleged that Mankunzini later phoned Monenge demanding another 20,000. And she later gave him 150, which she reportedly got from one of her relatives. Did you call anyone for 30,000 for 20,000 US dollars?
I don't know this one.
So Timsan, these stories they just come out from nowhere.
There's plenty of them. I sometimes, when I've got nothing to do, I Google myself and read those stories. I'll just be laughing.
So now you appeared in court for this one.
No, I never.
That's
went
what
to
it's
court.
saying here.
I never went to court.
For the offense, for the offense, Mankunzini has since appeared in court charged with fraud as defined in section 136.
Wait, if you want to see that these stories are not true, because a journalist, if he's writing a story that is in court, they put the case number there. Is there a case number for that?
I got a case number, only section number, but section 100.
Section anyone can they put that section. There should be a case number.
But it says when you denied the charges, in as much as you are denying right now.
I never went to court for this one.
And you were remanded out of custody on 8,000 bail, November 30 for trial.
I never went to court for that. There should be an interesting one there for a nasty girl. For a nasty girl. Everyone.
The one like student left for suicide.
Yeah, exactly, that one. This one actually hurts me the most. It hurts me the most. Because if I were to read that story, and let's say it's you who's done that, you are Dumisani Mankunzini. And I hear you've done that.
Men act.
My friend, I would be very hurt.
What happened with the nurse student? What did you do to her?
No, this girl, somebody came to me, I don't remember where it was. I think maybe it was even Arch. Good political talk.
6,000 rands.
I collected this man. The 6,000 rand. I collected it. Okay. So somebody came to my inbox. Okay, from the political talk podium. I don't remember where it was, And this person said, "Bra, can you please help this girl?" And then utafundu kumayan, upalama articles, and she's a journalist.
When I'm when I'm a cricketer.
No, I'm a journalist as well.
Oh, nice.
You understand? So then I said, okay, no, it's fine. Give that girl my what? My phone number. Okay, that girl contacted me. And I said, right, pay article. I'll charge you $100. Okay? What is sharp?
When how much is now rate is just your number, it's about pay for $100.
Plus with Venga for no I'm for no what in? It's okay. And I'm saying it's about 10 articles now. And so
it's 1,000.
I would also link it up with the big people. And I have an interview. Then I will say, so now this girl, I said to her, no, I'm not going to help you anymore. Unless and until you pay me in. For this is what you give me? No, I've got 6,000 rands for now. If I give you 6,000 rand, will you help me with this one? Not okay, fine. I drove to Mandela Square. I met the brother. The brother gave me what? 6,000 rand. You understand? So now that girl lied to the whole family and give. What you know? There's somebody coming to Zimbabwe instead of putting a fag imali ngapi. Give this guy money, you won't charge us anything. So that guy, when he gave me money, and I thought, what young Patisa in Imar, he didn't know what in. He's queried,
Yes.
So okay, thanks, son. Some Piliman was saying Zambelan. 2 days later, that guy sends me a message. For it. Thanks, Prang, I'm very cool.
Uhambeka cool.
So Nhlanhla mina into engihambe yangicedayo lapha ukuthi that girl had messages between me and that girl. Esethi kimi usuphiwe imali yakhe na thanks baby ngicela unjani uhle umbhalele phela yini i-store rand enjoy your money yi message kanjani yangicedayo nale code
Ubhebhe ungena kuphi wawusuluma
hayi manje kanjani uCherry lo ngangalumanga
uBhebhu ungena njani Dumisani?
Hayi yikho phela nje abantu phela babizana daleni.
Mfethu,
Yabona?
mfethu.
Angazi na why she called me thanks. Yabona?
Dumisani ungabuye uzongitraina la.
Eh.
Ungabuye uzongitraina la.
Yabona?
Mfethu, mfethu.
No, yakazi ukuthi.
Reis,
Do you know who this girl is? Mana ngitshela.
Waluma ngomba uluma.
Anlumanga.
Lalifuna ukulumana walilumananga.
Yeah, I can say we flirted.
Zenze.
Yabona, we flirted, yeah.
Okokuthi kuleko la flatter to a point ukuthi sengakubiza baby.
Yes.
Dumisani umuntu lo, whether it's in cyber dating kumbe when you cyber dated, can you say you cyber dated lo muntu lo online?
Maybe.
Hayi ungathi maybe ndoda lapha khuluma iqiniso Dumisani. Lo umuntu usekubiza baby. Yena buye kuwe waba i-intern yakho. Uhambe njani? Ungathi lapha lena yona.
No, I know we flirted. No, we flirted. We did flirt. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, yabona. So now this girl now since Zimbabwe, you say Harris lapha yabona, Rainbow Hotel. I'm staying there.
Yes baby.
No, mina lapho ngiyedwa online.
No, but I'm saying ukuthi ispace esedikiso dibizana baby.
But vele this girl angamboni lo umbona, I'd never seen her in my life.
So lincedisana njani ama article la?
No, like I said, somebody brought it to me. Yabona. So ngangikhuluma la ephone ningaze ngimbone. Ngezwa kuthiwa udlala ibhola for Islanders Royals.
Futhi so uyibhora now.
Yeah, well, she was a student, journalist student at NUST and also playing soccer for the Islanders Royals. Yansinto ngone. So ngimncedise phela mina that girl han. Ngifike
okwama article.
Yeah, ngimncedise yabona. Mina sharp.
Sengobulawa online.
Sengobulawa hand. Ngimtshela ukuthi nihlala ngapha anti. Bana ekuseni nxa ngiphuma mina ngithi ngiyangena emoteni. Anti kube labantu abangu2 abanilandelayo yabona. A guy and a girl. Yabona. That girl afike kimi so ethi ngubo ngani? And ebambe iqolo mina hayi. Yabona. So now those two guys are confused. But uthiwa nguyibongani lo yabona. Bongani is my other name elangikhaya. Then that girl
so why yalo ukuthi ngubongani?
Hayi ngamfuna ukuba kwazi ukuthi mvele ngubani opho ngivese umuntu ombiza ethi bongani umuntu ongazi kakhulu angakithi han. So ngamfuna kwazi ukuthi what is it about? Yabona. Then 2 seconds later Mazini was in the picture now, that girl. Dumisani ngicela imali yami. Nahawu. Imali yakho yani? Ungubani? Zithi ngumazini. Nahawu, imali yakho yani. Yabona. So ngicazana now she started fighting. Yabona. Ezama ukuthi istory sinjani. Singakhulunywa phela kumalume yakhe lo mna wakhe omunye la wayesenast. That man was meant for mna wakhe to pay fees enast. So whenever I try to explain what's happening,
but konke lokho mase kusenzakala ufuna kuba kwazi one thing. Kuma chats ngale kubizwana baby yani. Okay.
So now semfuna explain what is happening yani. Yena evuke ngolaka kanjani? Alwan. Then malume ngabona ano lapho wangikhaya umzukulu fihla something. Yabona? So manje now sebembamba ngani ngebrook yabona? Be2 amankazana. Mama ngebrook they are trying to get my what? Phone. So mina ngabe semfikelwa lulaka manje lothi manjani? Mbachaya. Nganisithi lapha ngabachaya nyabalani. Le problem.
Wadla phansi.
Adla phansi. That's the video maybe that you see on YouTube. Mbaleka yabona. So nje nxa ngisithi nyabaleka lapha nani? Ngathiwa isela. Yabona? I stopped. So this thing, when all this thing was happening, all abantu abecatshile ndoda bethatha in ama video vele wavele kubesethile up njengoba usethile up now. Yabona? So mina nje ngiziselisela ngabe nzima. Yabo? Ngithe mina lapha ngathi guys let's go ngiyalithathelani. Imali yento zothena sikhuluma kanjani? Angisifuna. Kwa relaxa. We walked to my lawyer back then. Dumisani Dube was at a chicken slice. I've seen a chicken slice. We went there. I told Dumisani this is what is happening, and I hate the man, but I didn't want to pay that man. Yabona. Dumisani what is sense? Dumisani die. Listen, bra. Because I just go around the plan. What it now will deal with this one. But Lord, since we my like a school and yabona, she's innocent. Let's pay the what? Money. Yabona. So vele ngale mali zami zazigcina ngaphi uma lawyer zaman. So Dumisani Dube now says ukuthi please come tomorrow at 11 o'clock and get the what? Money. That girl umnikazi wemali lo malume bazwisisa phela isitori. And sharp. That girl sends me a message, can I come through tonight? Ngithi hayi, channel lam wena.
Uzoyenzani?
Yabona? Channel lam. The following day,
What come through tonight? Uzoyenzani?
she wanted to come for a sleepover. No, I didn't ask her, obviously.
Had it ever happened before?
No.
She had never happened. She had never came over for a sleepover.
No. So the following day now, they come home. I mean, we meet with Tumzan Dube now. So many Tatimaland. Unfortunately,
So you never got a chance to ask her, why did you want to come for a sleepover?
no. Unfortunately, Tumzan Dube was at court.
Someone comes out from the blue and says they want to come for a sleepover. When they
It was obvious from those chats, Pelant, when we're flirting.
So from flirting, she got so comfortable when she wants to come for a sleepover.
Yeah, that's what girls can do. You know? So now we went to meet Tumzan Dube the following day to collect the money for that girl. Unfortunately, Tumzan Dube was at court. And then he says, then the secretary says, please come back about 4:4. And sharp. May I go back to the hotel? Before Skam Kazanembuzi, Singabe Sisonke yini. Mina I know.
Meaning,
Uthi singabe sisonke while we wait for Tumzan Dube. Mina I said no. Ngabe ngihamba mne hotel lan. Uthi ngabo 233. Sama ngibona amapholisa angena ehoteleni lan. Ngabe ngikhiya iminyango, ngibone ngena lo nkazana wanani. Ngakhipha ama-keys. E-reception bathi umuntu lo elimdingayo kakho la. And lana bathi ayisimbonile ukhona ungenile lan. Sebezoqola mina ngathula mina babe ngitext uDumzan Dube. Wathi ungavuli before I come. Dumzan Dube nhlanhla wafika fast. And wabevula. Uthe vula, those police officers never gave me a chance. uDumzan Dube said to that girl, listen, if this guy engahamba namhla emapholiseni elala and asisanjani asisabhadali imali le sesiyaqedana ngapi ecourt. So unkazana wakhe ayavela kanilani vela bemfuqa waliwa kubo social media ntola vele ebhala izinto ezingayisizani. Mina okay sasithulela ngahamba ngavalelwa tonight and ngaye ecourt. Ecourt vele sami ecourt ngasesprintile everything. Ukuthi no, yes, the conversation so bambuza into eyi-one. Are these messages from you? Are you the one who was writing that? Huh? Yes. The 6,000 rand, were you paying him or umphathisa? I was paying him. Yabona. So manje lapha lidingani. Manje sithola out. Phumani, hein? Nxa siphuma lapha ndoda singaphuma ecourt. Wabuye egijima. Nase ngihamba lo Dumzan Dube, hein? I'm thinking maybe she wants to negotiate something with us. Yazi angazi ukuthi wasichangana ekhanda nalo Dumzan Dube. Savuza amagazi soyi-2 ecourt. Wabotshwa that girl. Ehamba intende. And mina ngisithi hayi no. Wavalelwa tonight, huh? Wagcwala kubo political talk podium everywhere. Uthi thiwa mina sengisebenzisa izanu PF. That girl sebotshiwe khona kuyimomela embotshwe. People didn't know what was happening and what happened at court. Yabona into yakhona. So that girl now trying to get sympathy from people out there. Wow, would Tobe Zamu commit suicide because of what I have done. You understand? But now me and the mother for that girl were very good friends. Very good friends. Even now, we're good friends. We chat every now and then.
Interesting.
Yabo? Because Babu on the story what happened. The majority know this is what happened. So people now they still think ukuthi mina ngayenza unkazana in. It's true. But they don't know ukuthi mina yimi ngikolodwayo.
Okay, i-400 yakho ayisabhadalwanga.
Ayibhadalanga yonke imali yami.
Money 700.
Okay. No, ngase ngenza isitori esingu-10 line.
Yo.
And she only gave me 6,000 rand.
Interesting.
Imali engayithatha.
So when as a cricketer currently, what are you doing?
Okay, I'm actually the team manager right now for Amakosi Cricket Club, which is playing the National Premier League and also a provincial selector. And I was also the team manager for Bly Select.
Okay. And what advice can you give to our young youths who are so before you answer that one, Underground Gang, do you have any questions? Yes. So what advice can you give to upcoming youths?
No, Actually, my father used to say, if ungela, awula. Okay? And that has been my biggest weakness. You know, but if ungela, awula. So I would say, tulababa kula abasabuyan, if ungela, awula.
Okay.
Angakuzwisisi when my father used to tell me.
Yes.
I only got to understand it now. But if ungela awula, and you find yourself, would you be at peace? That one. But no, angela, it's okay, it's fine, it's normal. It's
That's-
normal.
it's life.
Yeah, it's normal not to have. So we see our peer pressure. You know, with ish. Xa ingela mali ye-whiskey manje sizayenza njani ish. Prasipo, can you please borrow me $50, you know? You know, now it's $50 leyana wanika. Now when I get paid and all that, and I need to pay you back that $50 and sengishodisile somewhere.
Yes.
So yeah, I learned ukuthi if nxa ungela awula. So that's the
ungela
advice.
awula.
Yeah, no, not imali kuphela. Even nxa ungela mfazi awula mfazi, yabona. Ngoba kade sezinye ezingela abafazi kade sizothiwa kuyagodola ufuna ingubela amehlo. Yikho becina besiya rapper. Yabona.
Yo.
So nxa ungela awula.
Maungela. So those are the final words for today.
Yeah.
For abantu abatsha, maungela. Awula.
Yeah. I'm
Thank you,
content.
Siyabonga. Dam from Film for Show. Please make sure you hit the subscription button and notification button. Thank you. Siyabonga Tumsani, it's been a pleasure.
Sharp, siyabonga.
Nice.
Yeah. Thank you, Nyabong, for all your professional photos and visuals. Dep3 Events got you. Are you having a wedding, Baba? Birthday, graduation, church conferences, amen. Corporate events, even sadly a funeral. In need of photography, visual services, worry no more. This week, I visited Dep3 Event Studios to do a photo shoot. Ha, Baba, ngabangena. Kwamoshakala, boss. Kikikak. Flashy lights, konapa wabulawayo. Ungasondela lawo bakuthwebule. Joshua Nkomo Street between 14th and 15th Avenue. 0716-919-313. Dep3 Events, your satisfaction our priority.